how to make someone feel special. Jumpster here, I perspire to inspire, not to expire. Lahat naman ng tao merong special. Special book, special food, special hangout, special friends, meron namang special batchoy. Wala na lang, special someone. Ay, ay, ay! Relate ba? Para sa'yo to, sa mga gustong mangligaw, sa my boyfriend or girlfriend, sa my husband or wife, basta sa mga may relationships. Because people longed to feel special and you just don't know how to make them feel it. So here are some tips. Tip number 1. Be knowledgeable. Know the person well. Not just only know the shallow things in his or her life. Aside from name and address niya, you should discover what are his or her likes and dislikes, interests, passions and inclinations, dreams, yung reactions niya and responses, yung views niya. Be observant sa kanya. Kung ayaw niya ng roses, di wag. Sabay taas kilay. There are some people close to the person who know him or her very well more than you do. So you can ask his or her family, yung BFF niya, or anyone close sa kanya. Huwag mag-assume or maghaka-haka regarding that person. Dito tayo nagkakamali. Oops, parang may hugot. Tip number 2. Be focus-minded on making him or her special. Give your attention and time sa kanya. Focus your mind and heart into it. Your lack of attention may mean that you disregard or neglect him or her. For example, the person just wants to talk with you and just be with you. At ikaw, ano yung ginagawa mo? Kundi ML. So what do you think would he or she feels? Focus po. Just like the camera needs focus in order to get clear and beautiful shot. Tip number 3. Be genuine. This is very important. If hindi ka genuine sa pag-show ng interest mo sa kanya, if you have something hidden, something at the back of your mind, he or she feels it, then how can the person opens his heart to you? People long for real intentions, real feelings, real friends, real love. Be sincere and give the best of who you are, not what's left of you. That helps. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.